right, we are taking our Grand's biscuits and we are cutting them in quarters. We only need about 1.5 cans of biscuits for this super easy 2-ingredient Christmas breakfast. Now I am using my super cute Christmas tree pan. This is metal, but you can use a regular Pyrex dish or whatever kind of cake pan you have at your house. You do not need a special dish for this. Okay, I think that looks like enough biscuits. Our second ingredient is gonna be our cherry pie filling. And I got the no sugar added because we gotta watch our sugar during the holidays. So if we can get the no sugar added, we're gonna do it. And we're adding this whole can of cherry pie filling into our Christmas tree pan, right on top of those delicious biscuits. Now, my family loves cherry, but if your family doesn't, you could do a strawberry, you could do an apple, but I think cherry is so fun and festive, especially with our Christmas tree pan. Now, I am just folding that cherry pie filling into our biscuits. This is a little bit messy. I probably should have done this in a bowl, but you know what? It's too late now, so let's get this nice and mixed together so we can get Christmas breakfast ready. All right, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for 35 minutes. All right, our breakfast is almost ready. I'm gonna make an optional icing. And for my icing recipe, we start off with some powdered sugar. Let's open this baby up. She is a little messy. We just need a small bowl for this though, and a small amount of both of our ingredients. Get good. About 1/4 a cup should be plenty. And then we have our vitamin D milk that we're gonna add in there, and we're just gonna add a few drops like that. So maybe a teaspoon or two. And now we're gonna grab our whisk and mix that together to create a super easy and delicious icing for our cherry biscuit breakfast. How easy was that? And it's gonna taste amazing. This is, like I said, this is optional, so you can keep it the 2 ingredients, or you can add some extra pizzazz with this icing. But this is ready, so let's go ahead and check out our biscuits in the oven. All right, we just popped this out of the oven. It smells absolutely incredible. Okay, it is time to put that delicious icing we put on there, or that we made, our homemade icing, and we're just gonna drizzle that right on top. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look so good? I cannot wait to eat this up. So easy, so simple, last minute, you know, Christmas breakfast. You can get these ingredients super easy, and you might already have them in your pantry. Serve this up is you just get some tongs. We got some cute little Christmas ones, and you just dig right in. Oh, those biscuits are cooked beautifully. Oh my goodness, get some on the bottom. All right, I think that looks perfect. Time to dig in. Oh my gosh, this looks absolutely perfect. It's gonna be really hot. Ideally, you would let it cool for 20 minutes. That is perfection. You guys gotta try it.